Hi, hello friends, this is Dr. Reenu here. So today we are going to discuss the breast pain during the periods. So if it is a breast pain during the periods, so it's just not a normal. It could be your estrogen. So when the breast is if the woman is feeling a breast is sore, heavy, or like tenderness before the periods, so your hormones need a tuning, must need a tuning. So what are the causes we are finding during the periods if we have a breast pain? So it could be a, like, see, high estrogen versus the low progesterone. It could be a inflammatory foods, it could be a caffeine overload intake, and it could be a tight bras or lymphatic congestions. So now we will, well, if we go and talk the symptoms, what will be the symptoms during this period? So symptoms will be lump-like tender sensitivity, it will be there, tenderness will be there before the periods, breast heaviness will be there, nipple sensitivity will be there. So these are the symptoms we can find it if before the periods. And now how we are going to fix the pain, fix this pain? So you can switch to the herbal tea 15 days prior periods, or 10 days prior periods, not no need for 15 days, just 10 days prior periods you can switch to herbal tea. And you can add the flax seeds for the hormonal balance, and other than that you can even go for a 15 minutes walk for from the premenstrual cycle. 15 minutes walks is a must for daily before periods. And cut down the sugar, I suggest cut down the sugar before the periods, and try taking a magnesium and vitamin C supplements. So easily you can cut down this pain if you have these kinds of symptoms. And do remember one thing, that painful breast is not a normal, it could be a hormonal signal. So try taking all these precautions if you have this kinds of thing. Okay, thank you.